So this question is clear.
Yes.
यो क्वेश्चन मा 10 n दिएको थियो यतापट्टि यसबाट हामीले 1 n को रेट एक्सचेन्ज रेट फाइन्ड आउट गर्यौं देन वी डिवाइडेड टोटल नेपाली करेन्सी बाइ द एक्सचेन्ज रेट सो क्यान यू डू दिस क्वेश्चन नाउ Kunti has deposited rupees 7,56,400 in International Bank. This question is same, upper part of it is same as previous one. And how much amount will she obtain in the following countries? That means I included here the country South Korea, where 101 is equal to rupees 9.38. South Korea को 100 rupees 101 नेपालमा कति मात्रै हुन्छ 9.38 मात्रै हुन्छ. So our money is more valuable than South Korean money. In this case also, we have to take this given rate to exchange and convert it into 1 is equal to 101 is equal to rupees 9.38. Then 1 is equal to rupees 9.38 divided by 100. It is 0.0938. Now to convert 7,56,400 rupees into Korean won divided by 0.0938 and find out its value.
80,63,965.88.
89. Okay, 88.88 something is there, and after rounding it off, it will be 8 lakh or 80 lakh, 80,63,965.89. This one is the required answer. So in Nepal, same currency is 7,56,400 only. In South Korea, it becomes 80,63,965.89. If anyone have problem, let me repeat. Otherwise, let's move to next question.
No, sir, no problem.
Okay, if there is no problem, let's discuss about one topic, chain rule. Maybe in starting of class of grade 9, we discussed about this chain rule. I was thinking about starting money exchange chapter in grade 9 because some of the books included money exchange chapter in grade 9 also, for making it easy in grade 10. Actually 10 को कोर्स में included छ तर त्यहाँ 9 देखि पढ्दै आयो भने इजी होला भन्ने प्राइभेट पब्लिकेशन्सहरुले केहीले यसलाई 9 मा पनि इन्क्लुड गरेका छन्. And the chain rule is used here to convert two different currencies, two different foreign currencies, and to get the value of one foreign currency into another foreign currency here in the chapter of money exchange. And this is used because we have the exchange rate Nepali to any foreign currency only. एउटा foreign currency को नेपाली मनी सँग नेपाली रुपीस सँग exchange rate कति छ भनेर मात्र रेटहरु हामीलाई दिएको छ. We don't have exchange rate of Indian currency to other currency, or we don't have exchange rate of Indian currency to American dollar or pound sterling to American dollar, Australian डलरहरु या अरु देशको जुन डलरहरु छ त्यसको रेट हामीलाई दिएको छैन. There is others exchange rate. We have exchange rate with Nepali currency only. So in question number 4, we did up to now we did question number 3, in which we used the exchange rate of Nepali currency to others only. नेपालीलाई फरेन करेन्सीमा चेन्ज गर्यौं या फरेन करेन्सीलाई नेपालीमा मात्रै चेन्ज गर्यौं. अब यहाँ चेन रूल युज गर्नुको रिजन त्यति मात्रै हो. एज आई सेड, if we want to convert foreign currency to another foreign currency, there is one bridge between those exchange rates. त्यो exchange rateहरुको बीचमा एउटा ब्रिज के बन्ने भयो, एउटा foreign currencyलाई फर्स्टमा नेपाली करेन्सीमा कन्भर्ट गर्नुपर्ने हो, and after that we have to convert that Nepali currency to another foreign currency. जस्तो जापानीज येन छ भने जापानीज येनलाई अमेरिकन डलरमा कन्भर्ट गर्न भनेछ. If that is asked to us, it is said to convert Japanese yen into American dollar. So first we have to convert Japanese yen to Nepali currency, then we have to convert Nepali currency into American dollar. That is the simple process for money exchange. त्यो नगरेर अलिकति क्वेशन्स को सोलुसनलाई सर्ट बनाउनको लागि चेन रूल युज गरिन्छ. In that, for different items or for different topics or for different units, अलग अलग जुन युनिटहरु दिएको हुन्छ त्यो क्वेशनमा त्यो युनिटहरुको एउटा चेन बनाएर लेफ्ट ह्यान्ड साइड र राइट ह्यान्ड साइड तिरको भ्यालुहरु मल्टिप्लाई गरिन्छ टु सल्भ द क्वेशन। क्वेशन सल्भ गर्नको लागि एउटा चेन बनाएर लेफ्ट ह्यान्ड साइड र राइट ह्यान्ड साइड मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने प्रोसेस, त्यसलाई हामी चेन रुल भन्छौं। रुल युज इन मैथमेटिक्स टु क्याल्कुलेट desired value by arranging given numerical data as a chain. Look at one example. If I have taken example of money exchange only, if NA is equal to 1B, यो A र B को ठाउँमा कुनै न्यूमेरिकल भ्यालु होला। फर एक्जाम्पल 1000 N भन्ला is equal to 1501 भन्ला। If that is given to us, then here I have made the chain. Look at this one. 1 bata 1 मा आयो हेर त। And next one 1C is equal to $D भन्ने भयो। फेरि यहाँनिर रुपीज छ, रुपीज D. So here is also rupees. अर्को चेन बन्यो। And here is the N. Last मा N आयो यहाँ। So at first also there is N. Are you observing it?
Yes, sir.
Just we made the chain here that from N to 1, 1 to 1, 1 बाट 1 मै गयो, फेरि 1 to rupees, rupees आयो भने यहाँ rupees हुनु पर्यो। Again there is N. If there is N, there must be N at first. One chain is completed. N to 1, 1 to 1, 1 to rupees, rupees to rupees, rupees to N, again N to N. अब यसको सिम्प्लिफिकेसन प्रोसेस के हुन्छ भने यो साइडको भ्यालुहरु A, C, E यिनीहरु मल्टिप्लाई हुन्छन् इक्वल टु राइट साइडको भ्यालुहरु B, D, F. These are multiplied. It becomes A into C into E is equal to B into D into F. Is this clear to you all? Okay, so let's look at question number 4A. If chain rule is clear to you all. How much American dollar will be obtained from 100 Canadian dollar? So these rates are not given. Exchange rate of American dollar and Canadian dollar are not given to us. यो रेट्सहरु दिएको छैन, but exchange rate of American dollar to Nepali currency and Nepali currency to Canadian dollar is given. You can do in that way also. यसलाई कसरी पनि गर्न सकिन्छ भने 100 डलरलाई अमेरिकन डलरलाई नेपाली करेन्सीमा चेन्ज गर, त्यसपछि त्यो नेपाली आएको नेपाली करेन्सीलाई क्यानाडियन डलरमा चेन्ज गर. That is one process. Another process is by using chain rule we can solve it. And in this type of question where we have to use the chain rule or where there is no involvement of Nepali currency मा कन्भर्ट गर्न भनेको छैन, तर हामीले युज गर्नै पर्ने छ। क्वेशनमा इन्भल्भ नभए पनि हामीले त्यसलाई सोलुसनमा इन्भल्भ गर्नुपर्ने छ। In that case we have to use buying rate only. यसमा हामी सेलिङ रेट युज गर्दैनौं, खाली बाइङ रेट मात्रै युज गर्छौं। So at first in its solution we don't know how much American dollar will be obtained from 100 Canadian dollar. Sorry, while describing I was saying 100 American dollar, but these are 100 Canadian dollar. 100 Canadian dollar हामीसँग छन्, and we have to find out how much American dollars can be obtained from these 100 Canadian dollar. So we have to say let X American dollar is equal to 100 Canadian dollar. We don't know how many American dollar can be exchanged, so we said let it be X. Now there is dollar, Canadian dollar. As I said in chain rule, if there is Canadian dollar, here we have to put Canadian dollar. यहाँनिर Canadian dollar आयो भने अब यता साइड आउनु पर्यो चेन बनाउनको लागि, to maintain the chain. So 1 Canadian dollar is equal to rupees 81.94. अब यहाँनिर आयो rupees, that means here must be rupees. यहाँनिर अब rupees हुनु पर्यो. So rupees 106 is equal to 1 American dollar. These two are the rates given in our book. हाम्रो बुकमा दिएका रेटहरु हुन् यिनीहरु. To make the chain we use this. Actually this much is the question. Question भने यति मात्रै हो. X American dollar is equal to 100 Canadian dollar. कति हुन्छ भने सोधेको छ. So we said X. And to make the chain, we use these rates here. Canadian dollar is equal to Nepali currency. Again, Nepali currency is equal to American dollar. And at last, there is American dollar. And at first also, there is American dollar. First ma pani American dollar cha, last ma pani American dollar cha. Now one chain is completed from American dollar to Canadian dollar to rupees, rupees to American dollar, and American dollar to, again at first there is American dollar. So if chain is completed, we can multiply the values at left side as well as values at right side. Right side मा भएका भ्यालु र लेफ्ट साइडमा भएका भ्यालु अब हामी मल्टिप्लाई गरेर बीचमा इज इक्वल टु साइन लेख्न सक्छौं. That means x into 1 into 106.8 is equal to 100 into 81.94 into 1. This line is clear. Here we use the chain rule. By using chain rule, we multiplied the values at left side, numerical values, and we multiplied the values at right side. Your right side ma bhayeko value यिनीहरु भए, left side ma bhayeka value यिनीहरु भए, यिनीहरुलाई multiply गर्यौं. And at middle we use the is equal to sign. Multiply these three. 106.8 into 1 into x. It will be 106 only.
106.
Similarly, okay. And right side 100 into 81.94. It is 8,194.
94. Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is rupee or 106.8 x. X is also there. Is equal to 8,194, or x is equal to 8,194 divided by 106.8. Just we have taken this one here to divide. Right side ma ल्याएर divide गरे मात्रै हो. Divide and get its value.
76.72.
Okay, 76.72. So we have to say, so 76.72 American dollars can be obtained from 100 Canadian dollar. Is this clear to you all?
Yes,
Or
sir.
I have to repeat?
Clear.
Now look at next one. Question related to phone number only. If a person earns Australian dollar 3,432 per year, how much American dollar will he earn? Australian dollar दिएको छ, यसलाई American dollar मा convert गर्नुपर्ने छ. So can you do it by another method? Chain rule use नगरेर अर्को मेथड बाट पनि solve गर्न सकिन्छ. What is the buying rate for Australian dollar?
82.37.
Australian, okay,
Australian dollar is equal to $1 is equal to RS 82.37.
1 is equal to rupees 82.37.
2.37.
We have to use buying rate only,
Yes.
and we have to convert this dollar 3,432 into Nepali at first. Just we are solving it by another method. Australian dollar 3,432 is equal to, if we are converting dollar into Nepali currency, multiply it 37 into 3,432. And what is its value? Find out its final value by multiplying
2,82,693.
2,82,693.84.
93.84. Yes.
Okay. And we know the conversion rate or exchange rate of Nepali currency to American dollar. American dollar ma convert गर्ने rate हामीलाई थाहा छ नि. So here we have to say American dollar 1 is equal to 106.8.
Yes.
Okay. So the American dollar that can be exchanged with 2,82,693.84. That we have to find out. फर्स्ट में अस्ट्रेलियन डलरलाई नेपालीमा कन्भर्ट गरे, अब नेपालीलाई अमेरिकन डलरमा कन्भर्ट गरे भने अस्ट्रेलियन डलरको भ्यालु नेपालीमा सरी अमेरिकन डलरमा आइहाल्छ. So for that here we have to say American dollar for rupees 2,82,693.84. It is equal to this value 2,82,693.84 divided by 106.8 and divide it.
1,646.9.
Yes.
2,646.94.
0.92. These are the American dollars for Australian dollar 1. Australian 94.
Oh, yes, sir.
By this method, Australian dollar 3,432 is equal to American dollar 2,646.94. You यसरी आयो. Before this also we have to write here solution, and after this also we have to write therefore American dollar 2,646.94 can be exchanged with Australian dollar 3,432. यो भन्दा तल लेख्नु पर्ने. Okay, this is one method, and another method by which I solved here by using chain rule. You can observe it. Let X American dollars is equal to Australian dollar 3,432. यो हामीलाई कति अमेरिकन डलर उले कमायो त्यो मान्छेले, a person, we don't know that. So let X American dollar is equal to 3,432 Australian dollar, and here is Australian dollar means there must be Australian dollar here. यहाँ पनि Australian dollar नै आउनु पर्छ. So we have to use the exchange rate. 1 Australian dollar is equal to rupees 82.37. Similarly, we get rupees here. हामीसँग यहाँ rupees आयो भने यहाँ पनि rupees नै आउनु पर्छ. So we have to use the exchange rate of rupees to American dollar. Rupees 106.8 is equal to 1 American dollar. Now we completed the chain. एउटा chain complete भयो. कहाँबाट start भयो? American dollar to Australian dollar, Australian dollar to Australian dollar, and there is rupees to Australian dollar and rupees to American dollar, and there is again American dollar at first. एउटा chain complete भयो. After completion of this chain, we can multiply the values at left side and we can multiply the values at right side, and we can use equal to sign between them. You can write X into 1 into 106.8 is equal to 3,432 into 82.37 into 1. So multiply the left side, it will be 106.8x, and multiply right side now.
2,82,693.84.
2,82,693.84. By another method also we get same answer after dividing it. 1,646.95. This is the answer, and the person earns rupees 2,646.95 American dollars. Is there any problem in this question?
Sir.
Okay, so complete all remaining questions up to 4 number 5 will start tomorrow, and this much for today. Thank you very much.
Thank
Have a
you,
good
sir.
day.
Thank you.